Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn off the background play option on your accounts, on any video on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy. First of all, click on it in the Rednote application and then enter it, and for example choose this video as you see, and here you will find this share icon. Click on it, and as you see here you will find the background play. Click on it, and here you will find this option. You can turn it off as you see, so it has been disabled. So that's how to turn off the background play option, easy and quickly, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.